If you're running a business and banking with Qonto, a common and important question is, can I actually accept customer payments through my Qonto account? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can, but the methods available to you might be a little different than a traditional bank. Qonto is designed to be a modern, efficient business banking platform, and it integrates seamlessly with many of the payment tools you're likely already using. We're going to break down exactly how you can use your Qonto account to easily receive funds from your customers, whether they're paying by card, bank transfer, or online invoice. The most straightforward way to accept payment into your Qonto account is through a standard bank transfer or SEPA transfer. Every Qonto account comes with its own unique IBAN, which you can provide to any client worldwide. They can simply initiate a transfer from their bank to yours, and the funds will appear in your Qonto balance. This method is typically free for you to receive the money and is ideal for large B2B payments or one-off invoices. Qonto also fully supports direct debit mandates. If you have recurring billing or subscription services, you can set up a SEPA direct debit scheme. This allows you, the merchant, to pull funds directly from a customer's bank account after they've authorized it. It's a great tool for automating regular income. For businesses that sell online or require card payments, Qonto doesn't offer a direct, built-in payment gateway or physical card terminal. Instead, its power lies in its integration capabilities. You should use a dedicated third-party payment provider like Stripe, PayPal, or GoCardless. These services handle the customer's card transaction, manage the security, and then process the payout. When setting up your account with these providers, you simply designate your Qonto account as the destination for all your payouts. The money from your online sales or card transactions will be automatically swept into your Qonto balance, making it the central hub for all your business finances. This separation of duties allows Qonto to focus on business banking while the payment experts focus on processing. Finally, your Qonto account makes the entire payment process smoother through its invoicing features. You can often create, send, and track invoices directly within the Qonto application. Crucially, when you generate an invoice, you can include your Qonto IBAN for a direct transfer or integrate links from your connected payment providers, offering your customer a variety of ways to pay you quickly. In summary, accepting payments with Qonto is all about leveraging its robust IBAN for transfers and integrating it with modern, specialized payment tools. Use it as your central financial hub and let external services handle the heavy lifting of card processing.